4 years ago, I left my career as an engineer to become a full-time mom and entrepreneur. So in this video, I'm going to share exactly how I make money online through YouTube. And this is especially for the mom who wants to leave her 9 to 5, but still be able to make consistent income. Now, I share my entire story in my book, The Monetized Mom, which you can grab in the description of this video or by scanning the QR code. Now, although I have been creating content online since 2011, I did not decide to actually leave my career until 4 years ago after having my second child. That's when I knew for sure that corporate was not for me and I wanted to make this thing a full-time career. Now, during this time, I have literally done everything that you can think of online to make money, and most recently my focus has been high ticket coaching, and I've had programs as high as $12,000, but this year I decided to give it all up because it was just too stressful and too time consuming, and my sole focus has been on generating income directly from YouTube with the income streams that I'm going to be sharing next. So I'm going to break down my income streams in my business right now from least to greatest, starting with the first one, which is affiliate income. Now, affiliate marketing has been something that I've been doing over the years rather passively. It's where I include links in the description of my video, or I might recommend a product or service that I have used myself. Now, the pro of doing affiliate marketing is that anyone can start it as a beginner. As long as you have an audience and marketing skills, you can make money quite easily from affiliate marketing. You don't have to worry about creating a product. You don't have to worry about setting up funnels, any of those things. You can literally sell a product that already exists and get commission from those sales. But the con of affiliate marketing is that sometimes it takes a long time to get paid. In fact, I had to send an email today to one of my affiliate partners to remind them that they needed to pay me. So it's something that you can't control. You can't control when you get paid. You can't control how much you actually get as far as commission goes. You can't control the customer experience, and you can't control the product quality. So a lot of things are out of your hand. However, it is an easy way to begin making money online if you are a beginner. Now, this is one of the least income generating things in my business right now. I don't put a lot of emphasis on affiliate marketing. If there is a product or service that I enjoy and use myself, I would oftentimes recommend it, but it's not something that I'm constantly pushing because of the cons that I just mentioned. Nonetheless, I'm able to make a couple $100s per month from affiliate marketing and just promoting some of the products and services that I use. Now, the second way that I make money is through ad revenue. Now, despite what you may think about being on YouTube and being monetized, a lot of people on YouTube do not make a lot of money from ad revenue. And that's because it just varies vastly by the type of channel that you have and how much companies are actually willing to pay to advertise on your channel based on the topic that you talk about and your audience. So someone could have hundreds of thousands of subscribers and not make a lot of money from affiliate revenue, whereas I can have a lot less subscribers and advertisers are just willing to pay more because of the topics that I talk about and the audience that I actually reach. So ad revenue can vary a whole lot on a YouTube channel. Now, I actually got my original channel remonetized. So I was monetized years ago. I took a break from YouTube, got demonetized. And so my original channel got remonetized this year. And this channel actually got monetized for the first time in May of this year. So it didn't take very long for this channel to get monetized. Nonetheless, the income varies. Now, over the past several months that both of these channels have been monetized, I've been able to make several thousands of dollars from ad revenue. But again, I know that this fluctuates based on views, based on so many things that are out of my control. Nonetheless, it has been a significant contributor to my income over the past several months. Now, in addition to ad revenue directly from YouTube, I do make a small amount of ad revenue from my blog. So I actually started blogging over a decade ago, and my blog generates ad revenue. So ads are running on pages as people are viewing that. But since the onset of AI and AI summaries and Google search, I don't get as much traffic on my blog as I once did. A long time ago, I used to make literally thousands of dollars a month from ad revenue just from my blog. That's just not the case anymore. So I make a couple $100s a month from ad revenue from my blog as well. And that's just been something that's been around for a long time. And I can see that amount slowly going down as my YouTube ad revenue increases. So the second way that I'm able to make money online is with ad revenue from YouTube and also my blog. Now, by the way, as I'm sharing all the ways that I'm able to make money online. If you are a mom and you are interested in learning how to make money online from someone who's been doing it for over a decade, then I definitely encourage you to check out my membership. I go through my YouTube strategy, you learn monetization strategies, and then general business operations so that you can create a lean online business that allows you to make a full-time income from home. So if that's something that you're interested in, just go ahead and get on the wait list so that you can get more details. But my membership is opening up soon. It's called the Monetized Mom, and it's specifically to help moms who are just like me, who want to leave their 9 to 5 but still want to be able to make an income online. So if you are an expert, a coach, a consultant, if you simply just want to sell digital products or services online, this community is for you. So I'll leave the link for that in the description of this video. Now, like I said, ad revenue does fluctuate, and because of that, I don't necessarily rely on this as the baseline of the income that I can make per month. And that's why I rely heavily on this next stream of income, which is my digital product sales. So now that I'm no longer selling high ticket coaching, I needed to make revenue somehow, and digital products has been the thing that has allowed me to make consistent income month after month. Now, unlike the other two sources of income with affiliate marketing and ad revenue, I can control a lot more with my digital products. I can control the price, I control when I get paid, I can control the customer experience, and it's unlimited. There is no cap to how much I can make from digital products, which is why I love this and why I talk about it so much, especially if you are a beginner. This is something, along with affiliate marketing, that's easy to get into. You can create a digital product literally within minutes, less than an hour, get a sales funnel set up, and you can begin selling that digital product almost immediately. So I love digital products for its simplicity and for the ability for me to easily be able to make money literally every single day. I sell my digital products directly from YouTube. So within my videos, I may mention my digital products, I may reference them being in the description, but I'm selling my digital products directly from YouTube. I have a whole video where I talk about this that I'll leave in the description for you to check out, but my whole strategy is to sell my digital products directly from YouTube, and it allows me to make sales every day. And here's the thing about digital products. Once you have a system and you are consistent, you can make a significant amount of money. Digital products are responsible for me making several thousands of dollars per month online in my business. So do not sleep on digital products. And this is obviously why I talk about it so much. Now, there are other opportunities for me to be able to make money online through my channel with things like brand deals. And these are things that I've done in the past where I work with specific brands to provide them, content or certain deliverables. And I've been able to make money with that. Now, the pro of this is that I can make a lot of money in a little bit of time. However, the con is that there is always going to be approvals and red tape and different requirements that just make it difficult when you are working with brands. Not to mention that they don't pay immediately. A lot of these brands have net 60, net 90 payment terms, so you're not getting your money as soon as possible. So although it is an option and I constantly get pitches to work with brands, only when I find the right brand that aligns with my values and my audience will this be something that I actually consider again. But brand deals is another opportunity for me to make money that I just have not explored. Now, I mentioned that I did do high ticket coaching, and that's something that you can explore if you are interested in. However, it just wasn't for me. It just took a lot of time. It was stressful, and it just was not the lifestyle I wanted, especially with young kids. But with that said, when I left the space, I also left a lot of money on the table. And so now I am in this process of rebuilding my business back to getting consistent 5-figure months. And so if you want to know more about how I'm doing that, check out this next video.